Question 27 of the JAM 2018 Mathematics Past question says if y is equal to x squared minus 1 over x squared, this is a mistake here, this is supposed to be 1, x raised to the power 1 or just x, okay, there's no 2 here. Find definitely dy dx, okay? So how do we do this? First of all, let's break this, simplify y. Y will be equal to what? X raised to the power 2. Let us take this x up, so we have minus x raised to the power what? Minus 1. Alright, so let's differentiate this. When you're doing JAM mathematics, you must learn a bit of calculus, integration and differentiation. Very, very important. Please don't run away from it. Try to just do examples on it to understand it, okay? So to differentiate this to be 2 times x, where we have 2x, then subtract the power by 1. In integration, you add the power and you divide, okay? So subtract the power by 1, so we just have x to the power 1 here, which you can just leave that out, minus, then minus 1 times this, that will be minus 1, then x raised to the power minus 1, this will be what? Minus 1 minus 1. So this will give us what? Minus 1 minus 1 will give us what? A minus 2. So here what do we have? We have 2x minus times minus will give us a positive. Positive 1 times this will give us what? X raised to the power minus 1. So minus 2. So here we have what? 2x plus, we can invert this by simplifying further, so we have plus 1 over x raised to the power 2. So this is our answer, and our right option here is option D.